हेलो गाइज, नया एक वीडियो में स्वागत है। तो आज इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे बीएससी नर्सिंग का प्रीवियस ईयर का क्वेश्चन को लेके। ये 2018 का है, ये दूसरा यूनिवर्सिटी का है। तो सब यूनिवर्सिटी ये इनसे क्यों फॉलो करते हैं। तो शुरू करते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से। क्लोरोप्लास्ट क्लोरोप्लास्ट आर सराउंडेड बाई 2 यूनिट मेम्ब्रेन्स, 1 यूनिट मेम्ब्रेन्स, 2 लिपिड लेयर्स, 3 यूनिट मेम्ब्रेन्स। इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है, ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट। क्लोरोप्लास्ट आर सराउंडेड बाई 2 यूनिट मेम्ब्रेन्स। नेक्स्ट, ATP synthesis in mitochondria takes place in matrix, inner membrane, outer membrane. Both A and C are correct. Option B is correct. ATP synthesis in mitochondria takes place in inner membrane. Next, which types of rRNA are found in 80S ribosome? 28S, 18, 5, 5.8, 23, 18, 5.8, 10S, 23, 16, 5, 13S, 28, 16, 5.8, 12S। इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है, ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट। Which type of rRNA are found in 80S ribosome? Option A is correct. 28S, 18S, 5S and 5.8S is correct. Next, which of the following is a stop codon? AUG, GUG, UUU, triple U and UAA, double A। इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है, ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट। स्टॉप कोडन इज है UAA, ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट। नेक्स्ट, which of the following does not take part in DNA replication? Which of the following does not take part in DNA replication? Option is ligase, helicase, DNA oxidase, RNA polymerase. Option C is correct, DNA oxidase। Which of the following does not take part in DNA replication? DNA oxidase जो है ये DNA replication में पार्ट नहीं लेता है। तो ligase, helicase and RNA polymerase take part in DNA replication। Next question, fried egg-shaped colonies are formed by mycoplasma, L from bacteria, both A and B bacteriophages। Option C is correct. Fried egg-shaped colonies are formed by mycoplasma and L from bacteria। Next, which of the following is true for tobacco mosaic virus? Option A is it has double stranded RNA as a genetic material, it has single stranded RNA as a genetic material, it has single stranded DNA as a genetic material, and option D is it has an envelope around its capsid। ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट इसके लिए, टोबैको मोज़ेक वायरस के लिए। इट हैज सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड आरएनए एज अ जेनेटिक मटेरियल। नेक्स्ट, when genetic material from one bacterial cell is transferred to other cell through bacteriophage, this process is called. Option is phagiduction, transduction, transformation, transcription। Option B is correct, transduction। When genetic material from one bacterial cell is transferred to other cell through bacteriophage, this is called transduction। Option B is correct। Next, in funaria, leafy gametophyte stage which develops sex organ is called secondary protonema, primary protonema, sporogonium and gametophore। Option D is correct, gametophore। In funaria, leafy gametophytic stage which develops sex organ is called gametophore। Option D is correct। Question बोला, in funaria, leafy gametophytic stage which develops sex organ is called gametophore। Next, Selenginella is characterized by rhizophore, heterospore, ligule, all of the above। Option D is correct। Selenginella is characterized by rhizophore, heterospore and ligule, all are correct for Selenginella character। Which one of the following is not related to pinus? Option is mycorrhizic roots, companion cells in phloem, dwarf shoots, seed formation। Option B is correct. Companion cells in phloem. Companion cells in phloem is not related to pinus. Mycorrhizic roots, dwarf roots and seed formation ये तीनों pinus के साथ रिलेट है. नेक्स्ट, फ्रूट वाल पेरिकार्प. फ्रूट वाल को पेरिकार्प बोला जाता है. तो फ्रूट वाल पेरिकार्प इन एंजियोस्पर्म डेवलप्स फ्रॉम ovary wall and other outer integument of ovule, outer and inner integuments of ovule. Option D, overall and both the integuments of ovule. Option A is correct, overall. Fruit wall pericarp in angiosperm develops from ovary wall. Fruit wall pericarp in angiosperm develops from ovary wall. Next, which one of the following is not a micronutrient? नीचे दिया हुआ कौन सा माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट नहीं है? जिंक, मोलिब्डेनम, बोरॉन, मैग्नीशियम. ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. मैग्नीशियम इज ए मैक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट. जिंक, मोलिब्डेनम, बोरॉन आर माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट. तो ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट 63 के लिए. At the end, EMP produce total of 6 ATP, 8 ATP, 38 ATP, 10 ATP. Option B is correct, 8 ATP. At the end, EMP produce total of 8 ATP, adenosine triphosphate. EMP का फुल फॉर्म है एम्बेडेड मायर ऑफ पार्नस, प्रोड्यूस टोटल ऑफ 8 adenosine triphosphate. Next, for short day plants, the critical period is light, dark, evening, morning. Option B is correct, dark. For short day plants, critical period is dark. Option B is correct. Next, PFR and PR conversion is caused by blue light, red light, far red light, and all of the above. Option C is correct, far red light. PFR and PR conversion is caused by far red light. Option C is correct. Next, the concept of ecological pyramid was proposed by. E.P. Odam, A.G. Tansley, Haeckel, Charles Elton. Option D is correct, Charles Elton. The concept of ecological pyramid was proposed by Charles Elton. Next, ozonosphere is found in ionosphere, thermosphere, mesosphere, stratosphere. ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, स्ट्रेटोस्फीयर. ओजोनोस्फीयर इज फाउंड इन, ओजोन जो है ये स्ट्रेटोस्फीयर में पाया जाता है. एटमॉस्फेयर का जो कुछ स्टेज है उसमें से ओजोन जो है ये स्ट्रेटोस्फीयर में पाया जाता है, स्ट्रेटोस्फीयर स्टेज में पाया जाता है ओजोन गैस. नेक्स्ट, ए फूड एडिटिव दैट प्रिवेंट्स कलर एंड फ्लेवर लॉस इज ईस्ट, सॉल्ट, एस्कॉर्बिक एसिड, सोडियम बेंजोइड. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट, एस्कॉर्बिक एसिड. A food additive that prevents color and flavor loss is ascorbic acid. Option C is correct. Next, which part of coconut produce coir? इसका जो ऑप्शन है एपिकार्प, मेसोकार्प, एंडोकार्प, पेरिकार्प. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट, मेसोकार्प. कोयर मीन्स जो कोकोनट का बाहर में जो मिट्टी कलर का जो छिलका होता है इसको कोयर बोला जाता है. तो ये मेसोकार्प में मिलता है. Part of coconut produce coir, mesocarp. Question 71. Human insulin is commercially produced from Escherichia, Rhizobium, Mycobacterium, Saccharomyces. Option A is correct. Human insulin is commercially produced from Escherichia. Option A is correct. Question, Alec Jeffrey is associated with DNA sequencing, PCR, DNA fingerprinting, RF-LP. Alec Jeffrey is associated with DNA fingerprinting. Option C is correct इसके लिए. Next, Bacillus thuringiensis is used to control insect pest, bacterial pathogen, fungal pathogen, all of the above. Option A is correct, insect pest. Bacillus thuringiensis is used to control insect pest. Option A is correct. Next, in plant breeding, which is not a method of selection? Option is mass selection, pure line selection, colonial selection, and hybridization. Option D is correct. In plant breeding, which is not a method of selection, hybridization. Hybridization is not a method of selection. Option A, mass selection, pure line selection, and colonial selection is a method of selection in plant breeding. And next, Gimomonas mobilis is used for the production of which of the following? Option is organic acid, alcohol, enzymes, vitamins. Option B is correct, alcohol. Zymomonas mobilis is used for the production of which of the following? Option B is correct, alcohol. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेक्स्ट पार्ट जो है ये बायोलॉजी का है, तो इस दो कॉलम दिया हुआ है, नेक्स्ट साइड में दिया हुआ है हार्मोन, बायोकैटालिस्ट, एंटीबॉडी, स्टोरेज प्रोडक्ट, ग्लाइकोजन, ग्लोब्यूलिन, स्टेरॉयड एंड थ्रोम्बिन। इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, ग्लाइकोजन इज स्टोरेज प्रोडक्ट, ग्लाइकोजन इज स्टोरेज प्रोडक्ट, ये शुगर को स्टोर करता है। एंड बी ग्लोब्यूलिन इज एंटीबॉडी, ग्लोब्यूलिन जो है वो एंटीबॉडी होता है। एंड सी पी स्टेरॉयड इज ए हार्मोन, एंड थ्रोम्बिन इज ए बायोकैटालिस्ट। Question 76. Cells of germinal epithelium are cuboidal, columnar, squamous, ciliated. Option A is correct. Cuboidal. Cells of germinal epithelium are cuboidal. Next. Which is related to oxygen toxicity? Blood poisoning, collapsing of alveolar wall, failure of ventilation, both A and B. Option B is correct. Collapsing of alveolar wall is oxygen, related to oxygen toxicity. Next. A blood group does not have any antigen. A blood group does not have any antigen but possesses both A and B antibodies. It is possesses A and B antibodies. It is A O B A B. Option B is correct. O. A blood group does not have any antigen but possesses both A and B antibodies. It is blood group O. Next. During muscle contraction, option is chemical energy is changed to electrical energy, mechanical energy is changed to chemical energy is changed to physical energy, and option D, chemical energy is changed to mechanical energy. Option D is correct, chemical energy is changed to mechanical energy. During muscle contraction, chemical energy is changed to mechanical energy. Next. Which hormone is a modified amino acid? Option is progesterone, prostaglandins, epinephrine, and estrogen. Option C is correct. Which hormone is a modified amino acid? Option C is correct, epinephrine. Next. Cryptorchidism is a condition of taste, is unable to descend in scrotal sacs, unable to produce a sperm, having been surgically removed, having remained undeveloped. Option A is correct. Cryptorchidism is a condition of taste, is unable to descend in a scrotal sac. Next. Mosaic cleavage occurs in camel, dogfish, whale, echinococcus. Option D is correct. Mosaic cleavage occurs in echinococcus. Option D is correct इसके लिए. Next. Aging is due to accumulation of harmful proteins. The theory is free radicals, cross-linking, error, catastrophe, none of the above. Aging is due to accumulation of harmful proteins. The theory is option C, error, catastrophe. Error, catastrophe. So aging is due to accumulation of harmful proteins. The theory is error, catastrophe. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है जो कॉलम दिया हुआ है, मोनोहाइब्रिड क्रॉस, टेस्ट क्रॉस, एलिस, होमोजाइगस सेल, TNT, TT दिया हुआ है कुछ वैल्यू, तो इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. ए के साथ होगा R एंड B के साथ होगा T, C के साथ होगा P, एलिस के साथ T एंड कैपिटल T एंड स्मॉल t, एंड कैपिटल D के साथ होगा P. Next, which amino acid is substituted in sickle cell anemia? Option is glutamic acid by valine in alpha chain. Option B, glutamic acid by valine in beta chain, valine by glutamic acid in beta chain, valine by glutamic acid in alpha chain. Option B is correct. Which amino acid is substituted in sickle cell anemia? Option B is correct. Glutamic acid by valine in beta chain. Next, which pair feature of represents polygenic inheritance? Which pair of features represents polygenic inheritance? Option A, human eye color and sickle cell anemia. Hair pigment of mouse and tongue ruling in human, ABO blood groups in human and flavor, color of mirabilis jalpa, human height and skin color. Option D is correct. Which pair of feature represents polygenic inheritance? Human height and skin color represents polygenic inheritance. Is a feature or pairs of represents polygenic inheritance. Next, antibodies in our body are complex. Antibodies in our body are complex. Glycoproteins, lipoprotein, steroids, prostaglandins. Option A is correct. Glycoproteins. Antibodies in our body are complex glycoproteins. Next, one turn of bDNA double helix spans a distance of 3.4 nanometer, 2.46 nanometer, 4.56 nanometer, D 4.26 nanometer. Option A is correct. One turn of bDNA double helix spans a distance of 3.4 nanometer. Next, population pyramids are useful to express the population growth rate, express the age sex distribution, indicate the birth rates, indicate the death rates. Option B is correct. Population pyramids are useful to express the age distribution. Option B is correct. Next, which of the following is not the locomotory organ of protozoa? Cilia, flagella, parapodia, pseudopodia. Option C is correct. Parapodia. Parapodia is not the locomotory organ of protozoa. और cilia, flagella, pseudopodia जो है ये locomotory organ of protozoa. सिर्फ parapodia. Option C is correct. ये locomotive organ of protozoa का नहीं है. Parapodia. Next, among the following, a poisonous lizard is wall lizard, Heloderma, chameleon, Varanus. Option B is correct. Heloderma. Among the following, a poisonous lizard is Heloderma. Next, men originated in Paleocene and Miocene, Oligocene, Paleocene. Option C is correct. Oligocene. Men originated in Oligocene. Next, continuity of germplasm theory. Continuity of germplasm theory was given by Deveris, Weismann, Darwin, Lamarck. Option B is correct. Weismann. Continuity of germplasm theory was given by Weismann. Next, question 95. The mouth part of honeybee used to mold wax and adhere pollen is lingula, labium, labrum. Option C is correct. Labellum. The mouth part of honeybee used to mold wax and adhere pollen is labellum. Option C is correct. Next, dengue is caused by female anophils, female Aedes, female anophils, male anophils, all of the above. Option B is correct. Female Aedes. Dengue is caused by female Aedes. Next, sarcoma is cancer of. Option is epithelial tissue, mesodermal tissue, blood, endodermal tissue. Sarcoma is a cancer of epithelial tissue. Option A is correct. Next, AIDS virus. AIDS virus has single stranded DNA, double stranded DNA, single strand RNA, double stranded RNA. Option C is correct. AIDS जो HIV वायरस है, ह्यूमन इम्यूनोडेफिशिएंसी वायरस, एड्स वायरस हैज सिंगल स्टैंडर्ड RNA. जितने भी वायरस होता है उसमें सिंगल स्टैंडर्ड RNA रहता है. नेक्स्ट, एडिक्शन to LSD leads to damage of lungs, disease of kidney, damage of liver, hallucination. Option D is correct. Addiction to LSD leads to hallucination. Question 100. Insecticides. Insecticides generally attack respiratory system, nervous system, muscular system, circulatory system. Option B is correct. Nervous system. Insecticides generally attack nervous system. तो यह था क्वेश्चन. तो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं.